Hello friends, today we are going to be taking our math PBT or our math project-based task over subtraction. So this one is called the farmer's market, and you will be able to select any of the subtraction methods that we have been using to help solve the problems. So if you want to do the arrow method or the number line, solve it just by putting the numbers up and down. Do which strategy makes you most comfortable and the strategy that you know helps you get the right answer. So our information at the top says, Maggie goes to the farmer's market with her family. There are 32 farmers selling food at the market. So that's our important information that we'll continue using. The fact that there are 32 farmers selling food at the market. So number one says there are 13 farmers who sell fruit. How many farmers do not sell fruit? So to solve this, I need to look at my total farmers. 13 of them sell fruit. So since I know that I am using subtraction, I can use my knowledge, my strategies that I've learned. Make sure you put the bigger number on top and solve. Number two says, of the 32 farmers at the market, there are 5 farmers who do not sell vegetables. How many farmers sell vegetables? Okay, so I take my two numbers that I have, and to find the difference, I know I need to subtract to see how many sell vegetables. There are 47 apples in a big basket at the market. There are 24 apples in a small basket. How many more apples are in the big basket than in the small basket? Write a number sentence with a blank for the missing number, then solve the problem. So remember, if I'm asking questions like how many more, I'm trying to find the difference between two numbers. And when I'm looking for the difference, I know I'm using subtraction. So I'm going to look at my numbers. When I write a number sentence, remember, that's just me stating which two numbers I'm using and what I'm doing with those numbers. Am I adding them? No. So my number sentence should show my two numbers with a subtraction sign. Your equal sign will come next and then the blank, because you're looking to find out 47 minus 24 equals what? That is your blank. So make sure your number sentence goes on this line, and then you can put your final answer over here on this line. Right here it says, this tells how many eggs were laid by all the hens from 3 different farms. Farmer Smith's hens laid 319 eggs. Farmer Lopez's hens laid 185 hens. And Farmer Chen's hens laid 241 eggs. How many more eggs did Farmer Chen's hens lay than Farmer Lopez's hens? So again, how many more means I'm trying to find the difference between two numbers, which involves subtraction. So I have to look at Farmer Chen and Farmer Lopez. Make sure you're putting the bigger number on top. How many more eggs did Farmer Smith's hens lay than Farmer Chen's? So here you have Farmer Smith and Farmer Chen. How many more did Farmer Smith's hens lay than Farmer Chen's? You'll put your answer on the line. The market has a display of eggs. There are 473 new eggs on display. The farmers at the market have already sold 205 of these eggs. How many eggs have they not sold yet? So out of these 473 new eggs, how many are left after they have sold 205 of these eggs? So just ask yourself, how many of the eggs have they not sold yet? And you can put your answer down here on the line. Make sure as you take this, you show all work. It will not be accepted to just put the answer that you think. You have to show work. You need to show me what two numbers you subtracted. So I should see if I'm subtracting 32 minus 13, I should see 32 minus 13 written on your page in a strategy that you used to solve. I should not just see an answer. Make sure you check your work. Look over it and redo the subtraction in your head. And think about if you made any small mistakes in your subtracting. Double check that you completed all the problems and you followed directions. Make sure your name is at the top. When you are done, you can turn it in and then you can work on completing a Dreambox lesson. Do your best.